This Painting4Real DIY art painting kit gives adults a complete coordinated project focused on a striking cactus horizon scene, so you are never stuck wondering what to paint next. The kit includes a curated selection of acrylic colors that are well matched to the desert theme, making it easier to achieve satisfying results even if you are new to painting. Clear video lessons walk you through each stage of the artwork, from basic sketching to final details, so the learning curve feels manageable rather than intimidating. Step-by-step demonstrations of brush control, color blending, and handling light and shadow help you build real technique instead of just copying an image. Because everything is organized around a single relaxing project, this set works well as a calming creative break for busy adults or as an easy way to restart a dormant art hobby. The thoughtfully packaged kit also makes a charming holiday or Christmas gift for art-loving friends and family who enjoy hands-on, do-it-yourself activities.